is my first ever unboxing video. What it is I ordered a 14-inch bed extension from a Harbor Freight mini lathe from littlemachineshop.com. So, we got an invoice, instructions, and a catalog. Cool. littlemachineshop.com. Looks pretty well packed. Probably a very poor angle for you guys. So I'm going to tilt it up a little bit. One chip tray, lots of bubble pack, and a box with the bed. Accessories, a rack and a lead screw. Nuts, bolts, and other sort of goodies. And more bubble wrap, or bubble pack. So let's shove that out of the way. Well, since the writing's this way, I'm going to say this side is up. It's long enough. More packing material. Lots of styrofoam. Hey, it's even the right color. How about that? Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Well, I can tell already I'm going to have lots of fun. Hey. Plenty of saran wrap there. Well coated with that wonderful icky red grease that they use to protect the ways. And according to the instructions, I got to drill and tap a bunch of holes. At least that's what their website said. So let's check. What they got in the Ziploc baggie. One bedway, one lead screw, one rack, one chip tray. Yeah, something like that. Don't know what that is yet. And lots of nuts and bolts. So, anyway. 2 chip tray braces, so this must be the motor mount. One M8 by 25 hex cap screw. There it is. One cap screw. 2 M6 by 8 flathead machine screws to mount the motor. Since I have not pulled mine apart yet, these look like little bitty short flatheads, countersunk. They look like they might be 8mm. 2 M10 by 35 dog point set screws for the motor mount. Socket probably metric gallon. Let's see what else. 2 M10 nuts for the motor mount. Since there's only 2 large nuts, I'm gonna bet that these are them. How about that? They balance nicely on those dog points. 1 M5 by 10 hex head cap screw for the belt tensioner. 5 by 10. Nah, I might as well take these off, can't read anyway. 1 M6 by 16 hex head cap screw for the belt tensioner. 4 M5 nuts for the chip tray braces. 1, 2, 3, and 4 little nuts. 1 M6 nut for the belt tensioner. M6 for the belt tensioner. Yep. 4 M5 by 16 panhead Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the chip tray bases. So those go with these nuts. 1, 2, 3, come on. And get back over here. 4. Now it's not a super heavy coat of that red lube. 4. 1 M3 by 10 socket head cap screw. Itty bitty M3 by 10 for the rack. And I only get 1? Okay, well, when I read further into the assembly, I'll figure it out. 4 M8 by 20 socket head cap screws for the chip tray braces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, looks like a few of these parts will be redundant if you have the 7x12 lathe, which I do not. Okay, it looks like everything's there. And there's a list of tools and other stuff. But since it's already red, I don't have to paint it. Anyway, there's the unboxing. There's more to come.